Hi everyone, I'm Camilla Kearney and I've got three pieces of advice for anyone who wants to listen. The first one would be to start saving early, and this is something that I need to do a lot better of myself. One main example would be try and buy a house as early as you can rather than renting. I mean, if you think about it, if you're spending about $800 a month on rent, that adds up to just under $10,000 a year. And if you do that for 5 years, that's almost $50,000. I mean, if you buy a house and you pay it towards a mortgage, then you get to keep that money later on. And plus, homes often appreciate in value. Whereas if you're renting, you're never going to see that money again. Second one is experiences are often more rewarding than physical objects. So this could be a trip or a vacation, an event like a concert, or lessons like learning how to ride a horse or something like that. Uh, it may be tempting to go for a physical object like a giant TV or a fancy piece of jewelry. Um, but often it's not quite as satisfying as something that you'll get to remember for the rest of your life. And a lot of them will change your perspective as well, especially if it's a vacation to a foreign country and you've never been abroad before. You get to see a whole load of new things. And the last one would be try not to stress over things that you can't change. Stress can be really helpful in some situations, like if you're preparing for an important exam. A little bit of stress will help you to focus with that bit of adrenaline. But if you've already done the exam and you're just waiting for your scores, there's nothing else you can do at that point. Just better off not to think about it anymore. Just put it off. And or if you want to use stress, just put it towards something else. Okay. Thank you very much. I hope you're able to follow most of that, and I look forward to hearing your advice.